Hello, how are you? The topic of this video is
GitHub Tutorial 2 Introduction. Why use GitHub? If you have watched previous tutorial session, what is Git and GitHub? Now you may have the second question. Why do I need to use GitHub over other version control system? Here is a list of reasons you can find online. Note that they are not ordered by importance but random encounter. The first reason: have your code potentially reviewed by the largest coding community. Second, free repository to use for open source projects. Third, collaborate with others working on the same project. Fourth, show off your work and talent if you want to. Fifth, shine with three powerful features: fork, pull request, merge. For sure, there are much more reasons to convince everyone to adopt GitHub, but I don't want to get you overwhelmed by a long list of jargon. If you have more time and energy to spare, please search online for the details. Personally, there are two main reasons for me to start learning and using GitHub. The first reason: it's popular, backed by Microsoft, which means it won't go away very soon, and my investment on learning it can last a little bit longer. Second, it's easier than SVN to create branches and merge code back into master branch. This is a game-changing feature. If you decide to learn more, please continue the following tutorials to get your feet wet. If you haven't decided yet, pause and rethink. Come back when you are ready. Thanks for watching.